I hope you all enjoyed that little montage I put together. It was pretty fun. And I'd just like to thank all of you for your endless support for this channel. It really means a lot to me. I started making videos on YouTube probably around 2.5 years ago. And obviously now my channel's reached 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot that you guys take the time out of your day and watch the videos. Of course, we got the LST right here. This thing's all ready to go after the roof jump. All nice and repaired, so you'll finally, again, see videos of that. And what's new to the channel, Ducky bought himself a new car. It's a little HPI RS4. I'll be doing a build video of that later. I don't really have much plans for this yet. Maybe I might do an engine swap, but it's got an engine right in it. Stock engine. It should run pretty good, I hope. I've had a lot of fun, guys. And especially this year, the videos just keep getting better than better. I definitely want to hit up the factory again. I'll be definitely taking the LST to the factory again. That'll be fun to bash it there. Then when this car's done, I'll probably do a drift video there. Really, I couldn't do it without you guys. You're the ones watching the videos, helping support, growing the channel. It's all because of you guys I helped get 1,000 subs. So thank you. And I know you guys are saying, oh, where's the 1,000 sub giveaway? I don't really got much to give away, but this right now, it's actually state-of-the-art. It's a little haywire RC car. Check it out. Look at that, it's got 2.0 on the hood. It's got a nice Rolls-Royce driver's door right there for you. 6-volt battery. It's got incredible steering. Yeah, so if you want to enter in the giveaway, go ahead. Hit up Ducky's channel. You'll see him in the comments. Subscribe to Ducky. Nah, I'm only kidding. Unless you really want me to do this. If you guys really want to have this thing. This thing probably costs like 2 cents. Yeah, it's enough goofing around. Thank you so much for watching. There'll be more to come on the channel, so make sure you stay tuned. And for those that are new that just happen to find my channel right now, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. And to all of you, hit the like button. That's just a reminder. Ducky knows some of you guys keep forgetting to hit the like button. It's pissing Ducky off. That's all I've got left to say. So I hope you all have a great day or night, depending on where you live. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.